Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of electronics to explore the key differences between digital and analog circuits. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or just curious about how your gadgets work, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about analog circuits. Analog circuits deal with continuous signals. Imagine a dimmer switch for a light. As you turn the knob, the brightness changes smoothly. This continuous variation is the essence of analog signals. In an analog circuit, the signal can take any value within a given range. This makes analog circuits great for handling real-world data like sound, light, temperature, and more. Some common examples include amplifiers, radios, and older television sets. On the other hand, digital circuits work with discrete signals. These signals have specific levels, typically represented as binary values, zeros and ones. Think of a light switch that can only be on or off, with no in-between states. Digital circuits are the foundation of modern computing and digital communication. Devices like computers, smartphones, and digital cameras rely on digital circuits to process data efficiently and accurately. Now, let's highlight some key differences between these two types of circuits. 1. Signal type: analog, continuous signals that can take any value. Digital, discrete signals represented by binary values, zeros and ones. 2. Complexity: analog, generally simpler in design but can be affected by noise and signal degradation. Digital, more complex but can handle noise better due to distinct signal levels. 3. Accuracy: analog, can provide more accurate representations of real-world signals. Digital, offers higher precision in processing and storage through quantization. 4. Applications: analog, used in audio equipment, radio transmission, and sensors. Digital, found in computers, smartphones, and digital communication systems. Both analog and digital circuits have their advantages and disadvantages. Analog circuits. 1. Pros: better representation of natural signals, simplicity. 2. Cons: susceptible to noise, harder to process and store data. Digital circuits. 1. Pros: high precision, noise resistance, easy data processing and storage. 2. Cons: more complex design, can lose some information during digitization. To sum it up, analog and digital circuits each play crucial roles in the world of electronics. Analog circuits excel in dealing with continuous signals from the natural world, while digital circuits dominate in processing and storing data efficiently. Understanding the differences between these two can help you appreciate the technology that powers our modern world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.